This is Charlie, Hugo 97 TV, Loma la Guitare. You guys, thank you so much for visiting my channel. I love playing guitar. This is my passion. Hey, in this video, you will see me playing guitar, my guitar, and the name of my guitar is Charlika, okay? Charlika. Okay, so, and you will see the part of Haiti they don't show you on TV. And it's all about Haitian culture. It's all about Haitian culture. Haitian food. Haitian food is one of the best food on earth. And the Haitian music, Haitian language, the Creole, Haitian Creole is a mixed up with English, French, Spanish. Haitian Creole is a beautiful language. Just to let you know, Haiti is not Port-au-Prince, okay? Port-au-Prince is the capital. Things going on in the capital. But there's people in the countryside. We have some beautiful cities like Jacmel City, Cap-Haïtien, Cayes, Jérémie, Tigouave, Crangouave. These people, they're living a peaceful life. Everything works in this countryside. School, businesses, everything is going well. Okay, it's only the capital things going on, but hey, we have a new government right now working hard to put everything back on track, to get everything back to normal. Let's pray God the capital will be back to normal. Okay, Haiti is a beautiful country, guys. It's a beautiful country. All right, to all my subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. On this channel, you will have opportunity to know the translation from Haitian Creole to English, Haitian Creole to Spanish, Haitian Creole to French as well. Why not? Okay. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. So guys, thank you so much for visiting my channel once again. I really appreciate you guys.
Stay with us on EL7 TV, where every moment comes alive.